Here I have Oppo A16, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the watermark. So firstly we'll have to enable watermark, and here you can customize it. You can add your own custom line here, so let's write something down. Tap OK. And now let's try to take a photo without our new watermark. And as you can see, now this photo is marked with our custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.